Welcome to Madambae's YouTube channel. We're going to unbox this Ninja Cold Press Juicer Pro. This is the best slow juicer. This can make cold press, fruit juices, nutrient juices, or wellness shots that separates the pulp. The best feature for this juicer is it is very quiet and it's very easy to clean. It has total pulp control with 3 filters. So these are what you could see inside the box. Let's start unboxing this Ninja Cold Press Juicer Pro. You need to press the release button to remove the auger, and this is the auger with the stopper for the juice to come out. You can see the arrow and the signs and directions for unlocking and locking the auger. You should see and hear the click of the release button to make sure that the auger is properly installed. And now it's time to test. So with this one, I use the no pulp filter. This is how you're going to remove and change the filter. These are the 3 filters. The orange one is the lots of pulp, some pulp, and this is for no pulp juices. So now let's try it. For the demo, we use the cucumber and the celery. And for this one, we use the no pulp filter. Don't forget to release the stopper so that the juice will come out. What I like with this juicer, it's very easy to use and not messy. You can also put the parts to the dishwasher for cleaning, or you can use hand washing as well. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell for more. And now I have a cup of fresh juice ready to drink. It is very healthy. Hope you enjoy watching Madambae's YouTube channel.